What's up, guys? This is Gino J, the Construction King, and I'm live on site. I'm here with my wife,
Marisa J, the female builder.
and today, guys, we're gonna give you a tour of our recently framed up home down here in Henry County, Georgia. It's about 7,300 square feet under roof, which includes the covered deck off the master and the covered patio on the main level. This house is going to be a contemporary modern style, and it's one of few modern homes in the Henry County area. Make sure y'all hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you enjoy content and like following really cool projects from start to finish, smash that like button. Let's go. So I'll let my wife tell you about some of the stuff that she plans on putting in this house and just give you guys a sneak peek at this contemporary modern that we're building in Henry County.
Yeah, so follow me, guys. So over here, as you can see, like my husband said earlier, we have these 24-foot ceilings, which makes it feel very massive in here. And then we have this beautiful fireplace wall that goes all the way up to the top of the ceiling, which is really going to elevate the space, especially with the big, long open windows, which I love. And of course, over here, you have more windows here that are long, which is going to give a lot of natural daylight, which I love in the kitchen area. We're going to have a really nice long island here. And through here, you're going to have our dog washroom with a mud room. And then we also have a 4-car garage, 2 on each side.
So over there, we're doing that's the eat-in kitchen.
Yeah, the eating kitchen area.
And of course, the dining room and butler's pantry as you enter
The
kitchen area, which is cool. One thing I love about this house is just the openness of it. You know, of course, we have the 24-foot ceilings in here, but just imagine those rails being floating stairs with LED lights going up. That's gonna be crazy.
Yeah.
That's gonna be crazy. And then if you notice in the front of the house, we're gonna have some really large windows. Anytime you're building, you know, a luxury home, windows matter. And when you can do large windows, it adds a whole nother level to the look of what you're trying to achieve, man. And on the outside, because I love being outside, this is going to be a huge door that folds all the way open
To the patio area.
and by opening all the way up, it's really going to feel like an extension of the house, especially with it being covered. Just imagine how many people you can have here. Like, you got all this space and all this space. Like, it's so much openness from the dining room to the living room to here. It's just wide open. You know, we're going to do a grill station somewhere out here. And back here, we're definitely gonna put in a pool. We're thinking, what all you want in the pool, babe?
Ooh, I definitely want some beautiful fountain lights, maybe a water fountain flowing into the pool. What do you think about that?
Yeah, I think a water fountain, maybe even like a sunken fire pit, you know, a nice tanning ledge. You know, so this is definitely gonna be a house that, you know, a family's gonna love and enjoy and create a lot of memories and have a lot of gatherings.
And never want to leave.
And the cool thing about this lot, man, it's over almost 3 acres. This lot goes back from where we're standing almost another 500 feet. So I'm just as excited about the outdoor space as I am the indoor space. And even out here, we still have like the 12-foot ceiling. So y'all make sure y'all hit that smash button and subscribe to this channel and follow us, because we're gonna be documenting the rest of this project, and you don't want to miss what we're going to be doing to it. Let's take them upstairs and show them what the upstairs look like. Up here, you know, we got a bedroom that has its own bathroom, which is cool. You know, we got this loft area, you know, right here, the natural light and windows. 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with the Jack and Jill. But this right here, this is where the magic happens right here.
Yeah.
Babe, tell them about the master.
Well, this is the master. I mean, look how massive it is in here. I mean, it's gonna be huge with a huge walk-in closet for him and hers. This master bedroom is definitely gonna have a sit-in area with a fireplace. So that's gonna be really, really dope. And of course, this luxury master walk-in closet is gonna be like, oh my gosh, especially for a woman. And then of course, you're gonna have your bathroom here as well. It's gonna be super, super dope. Super dope.
So I'm assuming, of course, that's the toilet area. That's one closet. That's probably his.
Yes.
This is probably hers.
Yeah.
And I don't know, like right here, I guess it's cool to have a wall to separate it, but I'm almost for taking this wall out. What do you think?
And just
or keep it separate?
I'll keep it separate.
Look how massive this bedroom is. You know, definitely have your own. This is like your own oasis up here. You got a sitting area, and I don't know how you want to design them. Like, you know, would that be the bed area as you, because it's closer to the bathroom and closets where you got, but then where would you do the bed? Would you do the bed on that wall?
Most likely I would do the bed on this wall.
Because if you got the bed on that wall, you don't really need a TV in front of the bed.
No.
Because you're gonna have this whole sitting area.
Yeah.
So, you know, this could be the fireplace wall in the sitting area here.
And I'm probably also
still
going
have
to
your
create
bed
a media wall with the fireplace because it is a sitting room area. So we're definitely going to do something.
This is what I like
that.
right here. Like you walk out here, you got this whole deck.
Yeah.
This entire deck. We really wanted this house to be an entertaining house, but because we think about what we want in our homes in terms of like, man, it'd be cool just to have a deck off the master. And this is plenty of space, probably too much space, but it is what it is now. But you don't even, I mean, up here you got half the house is master. You got all that, and you got all this, you know.
Yeah, and then once they put the pool down below, oh my God, that is
you
going to
see
be
from the
amazing. Just the views up here is just.
The only thing I would
so
change,
beautiful.
I would have changed differently. It's probably too late now. I mean, I guess we still could have probably technically did it, you know, because up here, so we still can do it technically. And I'm just thinking out loud, what if this was just a hallway for anybody to access that? Build a wall right here. If we build a wall right here, then anybody can access it. Right now, the only people can access that is
the people in the master.
okay.
Yes.
So should we keep it like that, or should we build a wall and just have anybody to access it? Because the master's already big as hell, you know. But now you got, you know, this hallway here, and then if you wanted to utilize it, then
The door would be over here.
yeah. I mean, we can put a door there. We don't have to. You know, maybe we don't, to keep that private, because it's not that much effort, you know, coming out this door, and then this is not gonna be a door, this is gonna be a hallway.
Right.
So that's gonna be a hallway straight through here. I think that's a better play. See? Even when you do these plans, sometimes there's stuff that you wanna change. This is the first time that we built this house, and we built it with the intent on us moving here. And you know what? We still might move into this house. So this is supposed to be our house. We are 10 acres. We might keep our house on one of these other lots, but this might be our house. We don't know yet. We still deciding. We don't know if we're gonna keep the oversized deck just for 2 people. For us, she got it oversized because she like, I just want a big deck off the master, but we don't know. But we do know this, it's gonna be a dope house. And y'all need to make sure y'all smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, because the next video, we might have tile in. It might be kitchen. You don't wanna miss that video, so hit that like button and smash it and follow the channel. Because we got this house and 10 more houses that we're gonna be documenting. I'm Gino J, the Construction King, along with
Marisa J, the female builder.
see y'all next video.